animals you like. Wow, this is a baby panda. It is so tiny and cute. Its body color pattern is the same as its parents. Let's go! Turn the wheel to select the animal. Next stop, elephant area. This is the central area of Africa.
Hola.
You can see the biggest forest area here. It's a herd of elephants. They look so big and strong. An elephant is pulling down a tree with such strength. The elephants are eating leaves now. They seem very tasty. Let's go!
Kangaroo.
Turn the wheel to select the animal. Next stop, Australia. This is Australia. We can see a huge rock in front of us. It's
Hot
called the
air
ice
balloon.
balloon.
Hot air balloon. He's driving car. No way, he's driving.
This is a kangaroo. She has a pocket on her stomach with her baby kangaroo in it. Jump! Jump! It uses two legs to jump and walk. Look, they are fighting with each other, just like boxers. Let's go! We are almost at the destination. Did you have a good trip? You have reached your destination.